Hello kids! Welcome to our ocean adventure. Today, we're going to meet some amazing ocean animals. Are you ready? Let's dive in. First, we have the playful clownfish. Clownfish love to swim in and out of their home, the sea anemone. They are small, orange fish with white stripes. Next, meet the gentle sea turtle. Sea turtles have big, strong flippers that help them swim long distances. They love to munch on seaweed and jellyfish. Look, there are dolphins. Dolphins are very smart and love to play. They can jump high out of the water and communicate with each other using clicks and whistles. Now, we have the amazing octopus. Octopuses have 8 arms and can change their color to hide from predators. They are very clever and can solve puzzles. Finally, meet the beautiful starfish. Starfish have 5 arms and come in many different colors. They can even regrow a lost arm. Wasn't that fun? We hope you enjoyed meeting our ocean friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures. Bye-bye.